Today we're just emptying out my fridge and giving it a good wipe down. As you can see, it is really dirty and was just long overdue for a deep clean. Here I'm just going over the fridge and what it looked like before. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope this motivates you to clean something in your house today. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and join the Blessed Mommy family. Enjoy! I'm just going shelf by shelf, emptying things out, going through items, and tossing anything that is expired. The shelves weren't too bad, so I'm just giving them a wipe down with the Norwex rag. Those are infused with silver so that it kills any bacteria, so no chemicals needed. We had a lot of leftovers in our fridge at this time, so as I was taking everything out, I kept them all together because they were dispersed among different shelves. So when I put them back, I made sure to dedicate one shelf to all the leftovers so they were easy to see and that we could finish them quickly. So here I'm just combining all the kids' snacks in one container so it's easy for them to grab. And I'm also combining like items together and condensing items as well. I had several things of grapes and I'm just putting them back into the one container. We have so much meat and cheese, it wasn't even funny. I ended up putting a couple packs of the cheese in the freezer so it wouldn't go bad. And this shelf was gross, so this was definitely needed a good wipe out. It wouldn't all wipe clean, so I did end up taking it out and washing it in the sink. And even underneath, look at that, it was so gross. So I definitely don't clean out my fridge as much as I should, and this is just a good reminder. So I just combined all of my fruit into this one container here. And just a side note, if you look up at the top of the screen there's little energy bites that I made, and I do have a little video on that if you're interested. I will link that here. So just going through the doors here, I'm just trying to better organize everything because we had barbecue sauce on one side and on the other, and dressings all scattered throughout, so I'm just making it a little cleaner. Okay, and after 30 minutes, we are all done. Here is the completed fridge, and I will take you through each shelf and just show you how I organized it. So just starting up here on the top left, I have all of our sauces and leftover pastas that we need to use up, and just some sodas and some of our dairy products. This next small shelf here, I have all of our breakfast items. This is the shelf that contains all of our leftovers. Down here is some meat that we're using for dinners this week, the kids' snack items, and then in the back there are a bunch of items we don't get to as frequently. And then moving on to our taller items, I have all of our milk products and some egg whites, and then my iced coffee, gotta have that. I cleared out this space really good, put all of our dressings together with the lemon and lime sauces. Or juices, I'm sorry, and then barbecue sauces and miscellaneous stuff. Here's all of our toppings for ice cream, and then just some more miscellaneous sauces because only a few things fit there, and then all of our condiments. And what's cool, I was trying to show you here, is that pops out, so anytime we have a barbecue we can just take that out. And then all the drawers and trays are cleared out and look super clean. Alright, so I hope this has inspired you guys to clean out your fridge. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.